What's going on, guys? Today I have a little bit of an update in regards to the templates for the Predator X order entry. Now, I know finding templates for the Predator has always been a little bit of a challenge. Whether you're a lifetime member or even if you're on a trial, finding templates on Discord is a little bit of a challenge. It's not always the easiest place to not only store information, but also maintain a chat room for each topic. So while we always kind of worked with the resources we have, I figured it's about time we got better resources. So with that, we ended up integrating all these templates directly into our website to make it so much easier to find all the information you need in order to get started. So the same templates you found over on Discord, they're going to be right on our website. So just as a quick look here, so you're going to find all the information you need, like what instrument this works on, the time frame or the bar type, the running hours, so 9:30 and Eastern time zone, depending on where you are, you may need to adjust, and any other related information as well. And now you're going to find all the installation files all in one spot, so you don't have to keep looking for them. So for example, here we have the ORB indicator. All you have to do, click this download button, and it's going to download that for you. And then you're going to find the ORB template in this case, and it's also going to tell you what each one is. So for example, this one is a strategy template. Now, I know some of you may be asking, Dre, what the hell is a strategy template? What do I do with this? How do I import it? How can I get this working? No worries, we got that covered as well. If you go over here to the right-hand side, you're going to find all the install info for each specific file. So whether it's an indicator template, strategy template, chart template, you're going to find the specific installation steps on each individual template. So for example, here it's telling you exactly where to drop this XML file. And it's also going to come with a video that will walk you through every single step in case you need that extra help. And of course, in the case there are videos to go along with it, you're going to find those all in one spot so you don't have to keep searching for them. Now, let's open up another one here. This is the VWAP pullback. And again, same thing. You have all the information you need, any pictures to go along with it. You can also expand that if you need it. We try to include the panel so you can see what it's supposed to look like when it's loaded as well. And again, you have your strategy template, your indicator if it needs one, and your indicator template, all with specific installation instructions. And if you are on the free trial, you have access to the free templates. You also have access to the Predator X templates. These are anything with the Predator X ORB or the Predator X pullback. And if you are a lifetime member, you have access to even more templates. Here we have most of the ones we could find on Discord. I really try to keep things as relevant as possible. And I'm sure as more members start adding more templates, we are going to fill this up even more. And in the case there is some sort of a variation from an original template, we're going to be able to find those variations as well with any installation steps for that specific upgrade. So that way you can use the original or you can use the upgrade, whatever suits your needs. And of course, if you're using third-party paid indicators like Simple Market Metrics, some sort of a Ninja indicator, A+, those are going to be available for our lifetime members as well. But with that said, I do want to walk you guys through how to actually find these template rooms, how to activate it, because it really depends on the level of access that you have, whether, again, you're on a free trial or you're a lifetime member. So very quickly, we're going to go through that over here on a test account I made. All right, so you just created an account over at TradeSaber.com. You have not started the trial yet. You don't know where to go. You don't know where to start. That's okay. Let me walk you right through it. All you have to do is come up here to the little person icon and go to My Account. Now, in this page, we are going to come back to this once we upgrade this to a lifetime account. But for now, you're going to find all the links that you need. So if you want to join our free Discord, which I highly recommend if you're trying out the Predator X, that's usually where I'm around. You can ask questions, you can find out more information. It is the best place to be if you are serious about using the Predator X. And here we also have more links. So if you are just starting the trial, you can just click on here and it's going to take you to that page. Or if you want to just purchase the Predator, you can do so by clicking this link. Now, over on the left-hand side, for those of you who have been with us for a while, you're going to find the Pred X templates. This is brand new, and this is where you're going to find, obviously, all the templates. But this will only become accessible if you have some sort of a license. If you have not started your trial yet, you need to do that first. So activate the trial, or for the lifetime rooms, you have to actually purchase the Predator X. So let's go back to my account. We can just click on the license and download. And if you want to start your trial, all you have to do is click on that big orange button. All right, once the trial is started, you're going to find all your trial license keys. You're going to find the downloads, any installation instructions. I'm not going to go through the actual installation process. We have other videos. We have a full user guide that covers that in a lot more detail, and it walks you through every single step. You can also find everything down here as well. But once you have your trial started, let's go back to our templates room and let's refresh the page. Now you will have access to all the free templates. These are the same ones again on Discord. And guys, I want to be very clear here. The templates are here to help users get started. At the end of the day, the Predator X is an order entry and management tool that lets users fully or semi-automate their own trading. The final strategy and configuration will always be up to the user for their own needs. By no means do we ever claim any of these templates are profitable. These are mainly here just to help users get started in learning how to configure and how to work the Predator. So always do your own backtesting with any template. And I don't recommend relying on any template. I always find people have the most success when they take something and they make it their own and they do their own backtesting. But with that said, we're moving on. With our free trial, we have access to the free templates, the Predator X templates. Use them as you wish. But the lifetime rooms do remain locked until you get a lifetime license. All right, but now what if you are a lifetime member? What do you get? So now if you have a lifetime license, let's go back to our Discord templates. We'll refresh that. And now, like we just mentioned, you'll have access to all the template rooms. But that's not all. You also get access to member-only rooms over on Discord. And you'll see this new button that lets you link your Discord directly. So you no longer have to send a support request for us to do it manually. Everything can now be activated directly through your account anytime that you like. So let me show you what this looks like. So here I just made a test account just to show exactly how this works. So all you have to do is click on this link your Discord. And guys, this is not going to access your passwords or any information like that. This is just getting your Discord name and linking it to an account so we can create that role for you. So again, all it's looking for is access to your username, your profile picture, banners, and it lets you join the server if you haven't already. But you'll notice over here, we don't have any of the lifetime rooms. We don't have any roles just yet, but let's authorize that. And it's going to refresh that page. It's going to take you to the how it works in our lifetime rooms. And this will get updated very shortly. But now you will have access to even more templates that have been posted on Discord. We have a whole lot more in here. But like I said, the website I'm trying to keep as organized as possible. But each room on Discord, you can talk about the template. You can offer suggestions. You can do backtesting. You can even post your own templates if you like. And now we'll see that our new account also has the new roles, the Predator series, and the new order entry lifetime role. And again, these roles just give you access to our lifetime member rooms. Now let's refresh our Discord templates. We're almost done. So now once you link your Discord, you're also going to have the ability to vote on certain templates. So if you go to the bottom of each template, you can just click on it and you can vote it up or you can vote it down. This will also help members figure out which ones are the best ones everybody else is looking at. And again, these are all at 0 right now. This is brand new. So just give it some time to get some more votes in there. And if you do have your Discord linked on our website, you could also submit templates directly in here as well, if you want yours added to the lifetime member rooms. So you can just select if it's an original one or a variation of an existing template. You could give it a name, the instrument, bar type, any files that you want to upload regarding your template. Everything is pretty straightforward. This will all submit the template and then we'll have it posted within 24 hours for the most part. So that should just about cover everything with the new template rooms. I really hope this makes things a lot easier to navigate for the grand majority of you. But if you guys have any questions, reach out to me on Discord or email us support@tradesaber.com. I do try to reply to everyone, but I am going to leave it at that. As always, take care. Enjoy.